Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Dallas Best Apartments. Hey, we're at the Kincaid at Legacy. It's the Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. It's a beautiful apartment, and this is the lobby. The lobby is just gorgeous. I love how it looks here. It's really, really pretty. I've walked in from the garage. The garage is right over there, and just gorgeous, gorgeous lobby. I love the sitting area too. This is fun. It's a really kind of playful sitting area. It's got some artist books that are up there, artist show books, and then it's got this great lobby. There's a 24/7 concierge that's here. There is free coffee. It's a super, super cool lobby, and this is right in the shops at Legacy, so you can walk just in the back of this building and you can get to shops and restaurants. Hey, so this is a perfect place, and just one part of this beautiful building. It's a really popular building as well. Hey, we're going to take a tour of some places today. I'm looking forward to showing that off to you. It's going to be super fun. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below, and if you'd like to set up a super quick tour, same thing. Just send me a text below. We can do a Zoom tour or a live tour.